Hello everyone and welcome on this new Friday analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Please my friends, don't forget before watching this video to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course share the video. So as you can see, thankfully almost all of the signals which I have sent you last late week analysis video have worked very well. And anyway, let's now begin with the EURUSD. So as you can see, the EURUSD, my friends, is running in a very good profit so far. It's running in about 30 pips of profit. Of course, the market yesterday was ranging inside of the safe zone for about 43 pips before finally goes back in profit. In the end, the market has formed right here a fake breakout, and right here, my friends, we can notice that the market also created a real level of a resistance. Eventually, we have actually ended up with a pattern of head and shoulders, which means the market is most likely gonna continue the fall. So the question lies exactly on where exactly we can start shorting the EURUSD again. Let me just now move to the 50-minute time frame. Now, of course, since we are talking about Friday analysis only, so these signals should be valid only for 1 day, no more. So let me just tell you something right here. Right there, we're having here a resistance level. First of all, this was the nearest resistance to that support level right here, the broken level of a real support at 0.97822. Which means the market has already formed right here a resistance number 1. So I believe it's not going to be a bad idea to sell the EURUSD again at the second attempt of the resistance. Keep in mind that we also have right here a Fibonacci retracement 61.8. Let me just check it out to confirm exactly. The same level of the resistance was actually a retracement 61.8 of Fibonacci levels, which means this is most likely going to be a very strong level, and the market is indeed going to continue the fall exactly from there. Don't forget also that we're having here a resistance trend line, and check this out. If I draw the resistance trend line from this level of a resistance all the way, ignoring that fake breakout, check this out. Exactly, this is accurate. This is accurate. All the way, my friends, ignoring that fake breakout in the middle, we can see that the market indeed respected that level of a resistance trend line. Not only that, but if we expand the line also, we can see that the market indeed has formed right here a resistance trend line as well, which means the market is indeed respecting that level. So right now, if the market rises again, first of all, it's going to create here the second attempt of the resistance, since this one right here is the resistance number 1, and also it's going to be the first attempt of a actually it's going to be the second attempt of a resistance trend line, which means selling right here at 0.97. Let me just write it for you. For those who didn't enter the signals, we can actually sell it the EURUSD again at 0.97822. And as you can see, my friends, we have to keep the same edge zone, and we actually cannot change that, unfortunately. However, for the take profit level, right now I don't think that the market actually has enough liquidity to reach this level of a take profit. Therefore, I need to edit the take profit level to be exactly right here at the lowest level of a support at 0.97298. That's going to be our new take profit level, which means you are aiming approximately 51 pips more to go for the EURUSD for today. Of course, we cannot keep the same edge of the safe zone. It's going to be ranging for 70 pips, which is going to be a bad idea. So let me just tell you something. For the edge of the safe zone, it's going to be ranging till the exactly right here, the lowest level of a previous real level of a resistance and real level of a broken support. And actually it's in the Fibonacci 38.2 of Fibonacci retracement from that fake breakout, which means the edge of the safe zone is going to be changed just like that. No, not like that, sorry, like that, like that. Yes, sorry, I have made a mistake, guys. No, sorry, not mistake. Yeah, that's correct. Yes, sorry, I got confused a little bit here. So let me just make sure. Okay, I need to delete this line. It's gonna be deleted. Oh my goodness, I knew it. All right, no problem. We can just edit the signal, and there goes, my friends, the signal for today, Friday. The safe zone will be ranging for about 30 pips against 51 pips of profit. Let's now move to the pound USD. All right. For the pound USD, as we can see, the signal is also working very well, and the market has fallen for about 70 bips in the profit. Excellent, excellent signal. I hope you guys have taken it and made a very good profit with it. Anyway, let's see now what we can do next with the pound USD. Actually, it's going to be very similar to the EURUSD. Right here, my friends, the market has indeed formed another head and shoulders pattern on the 1 hour time frame. So that being said, I believe selling again at the same level of a previous resistance, exactly right here, right there, at 1.12339 is going to be actually a good idea to start shorting the pound USD. Of course, we can change the edge of the safe zone to become actually smaller, just like that. The new sell level is going to become 1.12339. Again, guys, I really want to make this video as short as possible, so therefore I'm just going to edit for you the signal. The take profit level, of course, has to be changed to be the nearest real level of a support. Since if we look at this pattern, eventually we are having here a real level of a support, then this whole pattern right here represents a fake breakout. And we can see the market has also rose again above that level of a support, which means the pound USD is most likely going to continue to fall till it reaches that level of a previous support. I believe the pound USD is indeed going to continue to fall after the resignation of Miss what's her name, Liz Truss. I mean she didn't even spend enough time in the position to remember her name. So I think her name is Lisa Truss, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, sorry guys. Anyway, the edge of the safe zone is ranging for about 71 pips against 100 and almost 120 pips of profit. We have to wait for the pound USD to rise for about 25 pips before we can start selling it. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Okay, so of course AUDUSD signal has failed, as you can see, and the market has exceeded the safe zone. But what we can do next with the AUDUSD? Now, after the fake breakout right here, this major fake breakout, we can actually expect from the AUDUSD to continue the fall. For the AUDUSD, my friends, the signal is going to remain exactly the same for the entry. Again, selling at the same level of 0.62822 is going to be ideal for today. But however, for the take profit level, I want to change the take profit level to be right here, the lowest level of a support at 0.622280. That's gonna be our take profit level, just to make sure that everyone is gonna actually make a good profit with this signal. But for the safe zone, actually it's gonna be changed to be right here exactly. Now, why right here? What is the reason, Salah? First of all, we had here a fake breakout, right? And the market has already formed right here a real level of a resistance. Now, if we look at the other side of this level, we can see that the market has also formed right here a real level of a resistance. And we can see that this was actually here a tail, which is the nearest one to that bearish breakout candle. So that's going to be the maximum where we can actually expect from the market to go against our direction before finally goes in profit. And that's the reason I'm telling you guys, this is not a stop loss. Please, I know a lot of you guys placing the stop loss at the edge of the safe zone. Please do not do that. If you must place the stop loss, place it a little bit above the edge of the safe zone, just like that. Just make sure that you are closing this trade in loss if the market has actually exceeded the safe zone. But placing it at the edge of the safe zone is so unfair. I have seen so many comments telling me that once the market reverses from the edge of the safe zone and then goes in profit, they will comment, hit stop loss. It did not hit stop loss, guys. Come on. This is just at the edge of the safe zone. How on earth can you place this as a stop loss? It's really not. If it's a stop loss, then why I'm calling it as a safe zone? It's a safe zone because the market most likely is going to be ranging right here and there. This is so normal. It's going to be ranging in loss before finally goes in profit. You cannot expect from the market to reverse exactly from the sell level. We have to suck it up. We have to accept it that the trade is going to be in loss for some time before finally goes in profit. And again, sorry for the long speech. I just don't know why I had to say it, because I'm so tired of these comments saying, hit the stop loss. Oh my God. Okay. Moving now to, the edge of the safe zone is going to be ranging for about 24 pips against 53 pips of profit. Moving now to the USDCAD. USDCAD signal is going very well, as you can see, and the market has exactly, that's what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I just said about the AUDUSD. The market has reversed exactly from the edge of the safe zone, making some people say that it hit the stop loss, and I don't want to go through that speech again. However, what we can do next with the USDCAD, actually, by looking at the 4-hour time frame, we're having right here a real level of a support, as you can see. So this was, my friends, a very strong level of a support. It was also a real level of a support. Then we had here a fake breakout. Now we can see that the market is facing here a real level of a resistance zone. So meaning we can actually expect from the USDCAD to fall again all the way, reaches the same level of 1.37444, and from there we can actually start buying the USDCAD again after it falls for about 44 pips. So therefore, let me just edit the entry to be exactly right there at that level of a real level of a support, and therefore we can start buying the USDCAD exactly at 1.37444. And the take profit level, of course, has to be changed right now to be at a more realistic level. So let me just move to the 1 hour time frame. I need to see exactly. I need to see that. This level of a resistance right here at 1.382426, that's going to be our new guy. So therefore, 38426 is going to be our new take profit level. Of course, the edge of the safe zone has to be changed right now. We don't need that much of a space. So therefore, let me just edit it and just make sure it's exactly right there. The edge of the safe zone is right there, my friends. Just till the lowest level of a real support right here. As you can see, this level of 1.36994 was actually a real level of a support, and that's going to be the maximum where we can actually expect from the trade to go against our direction. So yeah, this is correct. Why am I editing? Yes, we need to add the dot right here, and there goes your signal, my friends. We are actually aiming 97 pips of profit against 45 pips of safe zone. Let's now move to the USDJPY. Alright, so the USDJPY has actually worked very well. I'm very happy about this signal, and the market is rising for about 51 pips, which is really awesome. So what we can do next with the USDJPY? Let me just tell you something. We are actually going to scalp this market. So right now, we can see that the market has actually formed right here a new support level after breaking out from that level of a resistance. Therefore, we can actually start again buying the USDJPY after it falls all the way back for about 18 pips, I would say. From that level, we can start buying the USDJPY again. Exactly just like that. That's going to be our new signal for the USDJPY. Just buy the pair after it falls again back to retest the broken level of a resistance to create a new level of a support, which is going to be the second attempt of the support. So we're going to buy at 150.023, but however, for the take profit level, let's now again use the, actually we can keep the same take profit level, exactly. The same take profit level with about 84 pips of profit. And again, the safe zone is ranging for about 42 pips. That's everything for the USDJPY. Let's now move to the USDCHF. As you can see, guys, I'm really trying the best I can to move faster, to not waste your time, and make sure that this video is okay, so the USDCHF has actually reversed again in a very good profit. As you can see, the USDCHF is running in 44 pips of profit. But what we can do for the remaining hours of today? Let's move to the 15-minute time frame, shall we? All right. So on the 15-minute time frame, what we can see right here, first thing, my friends, is we had here actually a fake breakout. Actually, let me just draw here a line to show it to you. Exactly like that. So the market has actually formed right here a real level of a support, a real level of a support, then 1, 2 fake breakouts. Then the market has actually respected the same level of a real support. Indicates that the USDCHF is indeed rising. The market actually has a very strong bullish momentum right now. Therefore, the best level to start buying the USDCHF again, in my opinion, is going to be the next strong key support level, exactly at 1.00367. Pay attention. So we had here a real level of a support, real level, and real level, and in the middle we had here a fake breakout. Right now the market is actually reaching a new level of a resistance zone, so we can actually expect from the USDCHF to fall again for about 16 pips before we can start buying it again. Let me just increase this line here, right here. The edge of the safe zone is going to be changed to be all the way right here till that level of a previous real support. And there goes, my friends, your signals. Let me just delete this line right here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me just write it again. Buy the USDCHF right now at 1.00367. Of course, we need more confirmation about this signal. So what I'm going to do is simply draw here a support trend line from this lower low all the way to this lower low, higher low. And all I'm going to do next is simply drag the same support trend line all the way right here to the nearest strong key support trend line, which is right here. We can see that this is a support trend line. A support trend line has been respected right after the fake breakout. Therefore, we can actually expect from the USDCHF, if it falls again right here to create the second attempt of the support, it's going to also create the first, actually it's going to be creating the second attempt of the support trend line number 2, which helps this theory right here that the market indeed is going to continue the rise right after touching that level of a previous support. And of course, once we do that, we can keep, of course, the same take profit level for about 60 pips against about 38 pips of safe zone. That's everything for the USDCHF. Moving now to the gold. All right, the gold signal is working like a charm. I mean, this is so nice. This is so great. I'm so happy about the signal. I don't know about you guys. Thankfully, not even one comment said that they made a good... No, actually, there was 2 comments. Why did I forget about them? 2 nice guys, our traders, they actually said that they have made a good profit with the gold. I'm very happy to hear these comments. I really want to see that. This is what I really want to see, guys. The most important thing for me, guys, is that you are actually making a profit with my signals, and I really want to see the impact that it makes on your... Okay, maybe it's okay. Let me just skip this part. So anyway, I feel like I won an Oscar right here, and I want to make a speech. I mean, this is really a waste of time. So anyway, I hope you guys have made a good profit with this signal. It has went in about 137 pips of profit. Now, what's next with the gold? All right, so of course, in my opinion, the gold is going to continue the fall. Still has about 120, actually 130 pips more to go. Where exactly we can start shorting the gold again? Moving to the 30-minute time frame. Right now, on the 30-minute time frame, what we can see right here is interesting. So right now, my friends, we can see that the gold has actually formed right here, exactly right here, a real level of a strong resistance, exactly at 1635.04. And right here, this is the real level of a resistance, real level of a resistance. Then we had not only one fake breakout, but actually 2 of them. And we can see that the market has actually created right here a support level, which is the nearest one to that bearish breakout candle, which means, as we can see, look at that, the gold seems like it has some bullish momentum right now. I believe the gold is going to actually make a pullback, and then it's going to continue the rise till it reaches that level of a previous resistance, and then we can start shorting it. Of course, we need more confirmation. So what kind of confirmation that we can have, Salah? Number 1, if we draw here a resistance trend line all the way from this higher high to this lower high, we can see that the market actually exactly right there, it seems like actually right here, we can see that the market has indeed right here created a resistance trend line, resistance trend line, resistance trend line, resistance trend line. So we can actually expect from the market to rise again and respect the same level of a resistance trend line and to create a new resistance trend line right here and then continue the fall. Another way to confirm it, okay, let's not drag anything. Let's actually draw it directly, shall we? All right, so we can draw the resistance trend line from this higher high to this lower high, and as you can see, still matches along with it. So meaning it still respects the same level. That is actually the reason I'm calling it the magic of trend lines. No matter how you draw it, guys, no matter how you draw it, it's gonna be still accurate. The market seems like it's gonna keep respecting that level. So, long story short, selling the gold exactly right there at 1635. Let me just make sure it's correct. Yes. So let me just edit the number right here to be 1635.04. That's going to be the new level where we can start shorting the gold again. And of course, once we do that, let's keep the same take profit level of about 202 pips against 121 pips of the edge of the safe zone. So there goes your signals, my friends, for today on Friday. I believe it's gonna be a good day. I don't think that we have much news today going on. I believe it's gonna be a very good signals, and hopefully, guys, everyone is gonna make a decent profit with this signal. Please, with these signals, please don't forget, of course, to check our premium group on Telegram. It's doing really great these days. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. And I will see you guys tomorrow on the weekly analysis video. Until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.